Making sound financial decisions. Some are 60 years today and cannot afford a healthy meal a day. Sound financial decisions mean making choices that promote financial stability, growth, and well-being based on a thorough understanding of your financial situation and goals. Make sound financial decisions. The financial decisions you make today will shape and determine the cost and state of your standard of living 20, 30, 40, and 50 years from now. Luke 14 verses 28 to 32 says, "For which of you, intending to build a tower, sitteth not down first, and counteth the cost, whether he have sufficient to finish it? Lest haply, after he hath laid the foundation, and is not able to finish it, all that behold it begin to mock him, saying, This man began to build and was not able to finish it. Or what king going to make a war against another king sitteth not down first, and consulteth whether he be able with 10,000 to meet him that cometh against him with 20,000? Or else, while the other is yet a great way off, he sendeth an ambassage, and desireth conditions of peace." Sound financial decisions is a careful tracking and prudent management of your financial resources and cash flow. Without sound financial management, information can be wrong or absent, decision making will be flawed, and minor issues can become serious challenges that put your future or retirement at risk. Sound financial decisions aim to ensure you can meet your current financial obligations and maintain a comfortable lifestyle. This decision also focus on strategies that can increase your net worth over time, such as investing and saving. Understanding where your money goes is crucial for making informed decisions. As someone due for pension or on pension, and you are spending on extramarital affairs, is that reasonable? Sound financial decisions contribute to a sense of security and peace of mind regarding your finances. Think about that. God bless you.